What if getting rich wasn't about working harder but thinking smarter? Welcome back to Omolola Finance Lab. I'm Badamosi Omolola, your friendly money coach. And today, I'm sharing money hacks that grow your wealth with zero stress. These are habits that work even if you're broke, lazy, or just tired of budgeting apps that never work. Because real wealth isn't built by doing more. It's built by doing one smart thing daily, and sticking to it. So pause and comment now, what's your number one money goal this year? Do you want to save 50,000 Naira? Or earn $100 a week from a side hustle? Write it down below, we're building this community together. If you're watching this, it means you care about your future and that already puts you ahead of most people. That's the kind of mindset that builds real wealth one smart step at a time. And please stay till the end. I'll reveal the number one mistake that keeps most people poor. And they don't even know it. Plus, I'll show you the habits that actually made people go from zero savings to over 200,000 Naira in just 2 months. Quick checklist before we dive in. Tap like if you love growing your money the smart way. Hit subscribe and BOOP that bell so you don't miss new videos. And ask your questions in the comments, I read and reply to everyone. Ready to change your money story? Let's get into it. Ever struggled with saving money? Most people save what's left after spending. But the rich? They spend what's left after saving. Try the reverse hack. Every time money comes in, auto-transfer 2,000 Naira or $10 to a hidden savings account first. Use apps like Wema Wallet, PiggyVest, Kuda, or Cowrywise in Nigeria. Or Chime, Digit, or Monzo in the United States, United Kingdom, or India. Bonus tip, rename your savings account something fun like Freedom Fund or Lazy Wealth. It makes it emotional and harder to touch. This builds discipline without stress. Set it once and forget it. And here's the powerful part. Over time, this small habit creates a big mental shift. Instead of chasing money, you start building it automatically. Small moves like this lead to big money wins. Quick challenge for you. Quick challenge for you. Pause this video, go to your banking app, and set up that auto transfer now. If you do this today, you'll thank yourself in 6 months. In 30 seconds, I'll show you a trick that lets you save money even while you spend. Want to earn while you spend? Here's how to get your money back automatically when shopping. Use apps like Honey, Rakuten, or Shopback for instant cashback. Nigerians can try Payport, JamiaPay, or Cash Token for small reward systems. How to use: install the browser extension or app. When you buy something, it scans for cashback deals automatically. For example, buy groceries worth 50,000 Naira or $100, and get back 2,500 Naira or $5 without lifting a finger. Challenge: next time you shop, try it. Comment how much you earned. But don't stop at groceries. You can earn cashback on clothing, gadgets, and even digital tools. Some users save up to 10,000 Naira monthly just by stacking small cashback from their daily habits. Want to supercharge the results? Combine cashback apps with promo codes, loyalty cards, or flash sales for a triple win. Pro tip, set a separate account for your cashback earnings. Watch it grow like a passive reward fund. And here's the fun part. You can turn your cashback into a mini challenge. Each week, set a goal. Can you earn back 1,000 Naira? Maybe 2,000? Treat it like a game, and every win boosts your savings motivation. Some viewers told me they saved up enough to buy data or even pay for a Netflix subscription just from cashback earnings. Even if you only earn 1,000 Naira a week, that adds up to over 50,000 Naira in a year for doing absolutely nothing extra. The trick is to make cashback a habit. Over time, those little amounts stack up and suddenly, you've got real savings without changing your lifestyle. That's money you weren't expecting, now it's working for you. Mind blown? Saving money doesn't always require sacrifice. Sometimes, it's just about using the right tools at the right time. Coming up next, a lazy morning routine that secretly builds your wealth while you sip tea. Want to build wealth before 8 a.m.? Try the Wake Up Wealth routine. When you wake up, read 1 page of a money book. Or watch 2 to 3 minutes of a finance YouTube short. Start with this channel. Then check your savings app for progress. It builds confidence. Apps like Forest, Freedom, or Notion help track habits and mindset. Real example, a viewer said doing this for 21 days helped them finally pay off 150,000 Naira in debt. It's not about doing more, just doing one thing right every morning. And if you're spiritual, say a quick money affirmation like, "Wealth flows to me as I grow wiser each day." Add a sticky note on your mirror. Save smart. Live free. Even brushing your teeth becomes a reminder that you're investing in your future. And don't forget, your morning playlist can boost your mindset. Pick songs that make you feel rich already. Want to level it up? Track your mood and spending in Notion or a daily tracker app. Over time, your brain links money with clarity, not stress. Imagine sipping tea while watching your savings grow, even before the sun rises. That's lazy wealth, activated by routine. One small win in the morning can change your whole day. Start small but start smart. Rehook, up next, how to make your expenses pay you every single month. Here's a secret, some expenses can actually make you money. For example, your Netflix, Apple Music, or Canva subscription. Use them to create content, review products, or start a side hustle. Try this. Subscribe to tools like Canva Pro for 4,000 Naira monthly. Make Instagram posts or ebooks. Then sell templates for 2,000 Naira each. You just multiplied your expense. Side hustle platforms like Fiverr, Seller, Gumroad, or Upwork help turn hobbies into money. Challenge, list one app you pay for monthly. Now brainstorm how it can generate income. Need ideas? Turn Canva into a digital product store. Use Netflix for review content. Use Apple Music to create curated playlists that grow your brand. Real story, a creator made 20,000 Naira in 1 week by repackaging old designs into a mini course. Or try this, Create templates for Instagram stories, digital journals, or vision board kits. Even one sale per day could pay your monthly bills. This is not just spending, it's smart investing in tools that make you money back. Stick around. I'm about to show you how poor people use time differently from the rich and how flipping just 30 minutes can unlock passive income. The poor trade time for money. The wealthy? They trade money for systems. Hack. Spend just 30 minutes a week setting up small systems that earn while you sleep. Examples. Automate your bills with your bank's app. Schedule weekly savings transfers. Create a digital product and let it sell passively. Tools to help include Seller.co, Pays Tax Storefronts, Linktree, and Carrowed. Real story. One viewer used this tip and made 15,000 Naira in 2 days from an ebook they wrote in Google Docs. Still not sure where to begin? Start with what you already know. Write a simple guide, design a budget planner, or even share your morning routine. These small systems don't take much to start, but they keep working even when you're offline. One upload. One link. A stream of income that runs 24 hours a day. You don't need fancy tools. You need a smart system and a single free afternoon. Think about it, if you give just half an hour to build once, it can pay you back for months. That's not a hustle, it's freedom. Just imagine earning while doing nothing and finally having your time back. This is how regular people quietly build wealth in the background. Rehook. Next. Let's flip that monthly data plan into a cash machine. Instead of using your data only to scroll, use it to grow your income. Try this. Spend 10 minutes daily on LinkedIn, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts in your niche. Post quick, useful tips or relatable stories. Add a link to your product or service in your bio. Apps like CapCut, Canva, and FlexClip make editing super easy even for beginners. No fancy laptop needed, just your smartphone and a message that helps people. Example, a 25-year-old in Lagos made 200,000 Naira in 1 month just by showing how she organizes her life using Notion. She didn't run ads. She didn't go viral. She simply posted consistently and added value. Anyone with a smartphone and a story can turn content into cash. No studio, no mic. This is the power of using your data as a tool, not a toy. Each scroll is a choice, to be entertained, or to build something that earns. And even small steps like sharing what you learned today can lead to big results. The internet rewards creators, so don't just consume. Create. Challenge, use 50 megabytes of data today to make a quick post or video. Tag me when you do it. You never know which one post will change everything. Coming up. The one dangerous mistake that quietly keeps people broke. Want to know the number one reason most people stay poor? It's this mindset. I'll save or invest when I have more money. But the truth? You get more money because you save and invest, not the other way around. Change your story. Instead of saying I can't afford it, say how can I make it work? Instead of saying I'll start later, say I'll start small now. Affirm this daily. Money flows to me because I manage it well, even if it's small. You don't need more money, you need better money habits. And here's the key, wealth begins with behavior, not income. A millionaire with poor money habits can lose it all. But someone earning little with discipline can still build wealth. Don't wait for a raise or a big breakthrough. Start with what you have. Track it. Respect it. Build a habit today, not a fantasy for tomorrow. Ask yourself each day, did I manage my money, or did my money manage me? Wealthy thinking isn't about luxury, it's about control. Take control, even with just 100 Naira. That's where transformation begins. Your next chapter starts with one smart choice right now. Rehook. In the outro, I'll reveal 3 must-watch videos to keep your momentum going. These money hacks are simple, low effort, and they actually work even if you're broke, tired, or confused by all the financial jargon. If you're still watching, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Now it's time to act. Like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon. Let's grow together, one smart step at a time. Thanks for being here at Omolola Finance Lab. See you in the next one.